Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect MailerLite to Webflow. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Integrations option. Scroll down and click here, then scroll down and select Zapier. In the top left corner, click on the Try It Out option. Now click here. Click on Add Step. In the search bar, type Webflow and select it. Return to the MailerLite setup. Choose the Trigger Event option and fill it in. Sign into your MailerLite account. Complete the test option. Go back to Webflow. Select and fill in the Action Event option. Sign into your Webflow account. Enter your username or email here, then enter the password. Click on Log In. Complete the Configure option. Complete the Test option. Click on the Publish option, and you're done. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.